Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Naufal Irsyad Darmawan. You can call me Naufal. I'm from 9.3. My attendance list is 28. Today, I want to tell you about the science material in 9th grade. In the science, there is 4 sections that start with biology, physics, chemistry, and the last is Earth and Space. In each section, there is a material, and mostly it have 2 or 3 material. From the biology, for the first, it has life organization. In the life organization, it's explained about the structure of some organization or life things, start from the micro or microba, or we can call it atom, until biosphere, the biggest of life organization. And in this material, we can know that the order of the life organization in our world. For the next material, there is human movement system. In this material, it's explained about how human can be moved, start from the function of the muscle and the function of our bone, and also the type of our bone, and also the type of muscle. And we also explain what is the energy of our movement system, like energy or nothing else, and what is the vitamin or protein that we need to make our muscle and our bone can be more strong and can help our movement can be easily. And for the third material or last material in the biology, there is human digestive system. In this material is only explained about how human process about the food or drink that they consume, like from the mouth until the stomach, and the last is until the anus. And that is also tell it the process one by one, step by step, so there is no skip one part that you can be not understand. And in that material, it also explained what is the benefit of us that when we protect one of the organ that we have it in the human digestive system, and what is the factor that can make our organ that function of digestive system with detail and clearly. And that is the material in the biology. We continue the next section, that is physics. In the physics, there is also 3 material. For the first is measurement. Measurement is not only explaining about how long in the centimeter, meter, kilometer, or another else. It's also counted weight of something. So we can conclude it. What is the weight of something that in this world? So it's not just like the length, the weight, or the tall. And we also know about the weight of that things. And for the next is motion. Motion in this section is have relationship with the human movement system before. If the human movement system is the part that included in the motion, or we can call it that motion is be the reason that why human can move. In this material, it explained what is the factor that can make things or live things can be moved, like there is force, weight, gravity, and other else. And in this material, there's also formula to count it. What is the gravity of this planet? What is the weight of this? What is the weight of this thing? What is the force that received by this thing? So there's a lot of formula that we must memorize it. So it can be more complex that we can know about motion. And for the last material in this section, that is physics, the last material it's called pressure of solid, gas, and liquid. In this material, it's not explained just what is the kind of solid, gas, gases, liquid in this world. Not just like rock, water, or maybe H2O, or it's oxygen or O2. It's also explained what is the pressure of the solid, liquid, and gases. For the example of this material is like hydraulic system. We can find it. Hydraulic system is in a bridge that can open or close, and also we can find it when there is garage that has hydraulic system to make car up or down, so it can make more space for another car. Yeah, this material is also explained with the formula, so we must memorize it too, like the motion one. And that is the last of the material in the physics section. We can continue it. For the next section, there is chemistry. It's only two material. For the first is chemical bond. Chemical bond is explained about atom or particle that bonding it's it's bonding each other. For the example, we can know that water consists of hydrogen and oxygen. When it's made with its combination or bonding, it will be make water. So that is the meaning of chemical bond. In a chemical bond, there is 5 types of chemical bond. For the first is combination, and for the second is decomposition, and for the third there is single replacement, and for the fourth there is double replacement, and for the last is diffusing. And that is all of the explain of the chemical bond. And for the second material, there is atom, ion, and molecule. This material explains about atom, ion, or molecule. If atom, it's about particle that make our whole world, made for chair, table, our smartphone, maybe our house. And for the ion, it's an atom that have a positive or negative charge. So when there is atom that have negative charge and meet with atom that has positive charge, it will be combined. And for the molecule is like two atoms that combine one each other. And there is 2 types of molecule. And that is all of the material in the physics. For the last section, there is Earth and space. In the Earth and space, there is 2 material, that is carbon cycle and water. And for the second is renewable and non-renewable energy. For the first material, water and carbon cycle. Water cycle is only just water from the sea. It's evaporate and it will be make cloud, and the cloud it will be moved to the top of the mountain, and it will be released the water that contained in the cloud, and the water will be absorbing or will be flow to down of the mountain, and it will be to the river and come back to the sea, and that is called water cycle. If the carbon cycle, it's more complex than water cycle. Carbon cycle, it can from lot of things like trees, or maybe animals that already dead, or maybe factory that we made sometimes produce carbon. And for the last material, there is non-renewable and renewable energy. For the non-renewable, it consists of coal, rock, or another mineral that can be valuable, and it will be hard to find it when it was rare, like coal. In this world, gold is mostly have done to collect it. So why coal, it will be expensive each year. And for the renewable energy, that consists of water, sunlight, air, or maybe dirt. Yeah, that renewable energy, we can find it in our daily life so easy. And this renewable energy, it become energy that good for our environment and not make it be dangerous. So I think it's all from my science review. It in ninth grade. That's all from me. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. See you on the next time.